Welcome out of the shower.
Yeah, thanks.
I am bored shitless, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Has anybody said what we're doing or anything?
No.
My mom come back? I saw her come in.
She left again.
Bitch. God, that doesn't even look good.
What?
So that doesn't even look good.
Hmm.
Normally she's got all the info.
Yeah, she does, I guess. I'm tired. I just want to take a nap.
Oh, good. I hope they broke it.
That really, they've been doing that a couple times. It's been sounding like somebody's been throwing up or something. Isn't that gross?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna find out.
Are you hungry?
Kind of.
Yeah, I just kind of ate 4 cookies.
Oh. Pick up your fucking phone.
Are you talking to Mama?
I'm trying.
Hmm.
Oh shit, I just realized I called my dad because I forgot they switched phones.
Oh yeah, that's right. They still have to do that thing with the SIM card.
What's going on? What's the plan?
I'm gonna take a shower soon.
No way, I just got out of the shower.
I wonder when my batteries are gonna die.
In a while? Dude, we'll start in about another hour. That's why you don't eat a big lunch. Okay. Bye. They're gonna wait another hour before we can eat.
What?
Because not everybody's hungry because a lot of people ate big lunches. Well, fucking it, that's why you don't eat big meals before you play a game.
I know.
God damn. Mine were like little egg roll things that you sliced in half.
I had a burger.
Really 3.
I had you know those bacon burger things?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that.
I had some of that in my mom's calamari. That calamari was pretty good, actually.
Yeah. I want more bacon. Bacon sounds good.
Bacon?
Yeah, bacon.
Bacon! Bacon, 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 bacon. Bacon!
This thing is so damn cool.
Are you recording stuff again?
Yes.
Oh, you're recording me brushing my hair?
Yeah.
Oh, how sweet.
You make brushing hair look good.
I make brushing hair look good?
Yes.
I don't think that's true. I rip my hair out.
I know, me too.
So when I like tap the empty out the brush, it's like half my hair came with it.
I have only a few more seconds left, I think. Oh, yep, it's gonna go.
I missed it.
It's gonna go soon. Oh, I think you should say bye.
Bye.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
When's it gonna